Hey guys, let's go through a quick morning routine using Juvia Skin. You guys know that we tried Juvia Skin whenever it first launched. Today we're going to go through a very quick, easy morning routine using only a few products by Juvia Skin. So if you want to see what we got going on, then keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so a few months ago, Juvia Skin launched a full arsenal of skincare products. They have cleansers, they have makeup removers, hyaluronic acid, glycolic acid, toners, and a bunch of other things. We actually went through a makeup removing process in the first video, but in this video, we're going to do a quick morning routine that's going to have your skin looking even, and also it's going to help you reduce texture. So first, I like to go in with a cleansing gel, which has aloe, vitamin E, and glycerin, and it is a really lightweight product. It's very gentle on your skin, and it doesn't leave any residue on your skin. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you know that I love using a cleansing pad for, my manual exfoliation process. I like to put my cleanser on the pad and make sure that it's lathered up very, very well before I go in to cleanse my skin. Now, if you're somebody who doesn't like using a cleansing pad, you can also use your hands for your cleansing process. If you apply a few pumps of the cleanser in your hand, you can work it into a lather and just go in and cleanse your skin. This step is actually very good for people that are heavy on the chemical exfoliation products. Instead of, needing the manual help, you can use your chemical exfoliators to help you even out your texture. Of course, today the kids were not here, so I went ahead and did a little steaming action. I don't generally do the steaming process in the mornings, but if I have time, I will go ahead and do it because it does help the products penetrate your skin and just gives your skin a nice, healthy glow. Juvia's Place launched with 2 vitamin C serums and 1 vitamin C treatment pad. In today's video, I'm going to be using the vitamin C treatment pad. I feel like these pads are perfect for traveling. It helps you also reduce how much you're touching your skin, especially if you're in an environment where you can't wash your hands before you start your skincare routine. These pads are absolutely perfect. They're soaked through and through, and they actually help apply the product more evenly to your skin. Now, if you're a vitamin C lover, you know what vitamin C does, but if you're not, vitamin C is perfect to help even out your skin tone. It reduces dark spots and promotes collagen production so your skin can be nice and youthful looking for a very long time. Definitely heavy on this because of the fact that it helps reduce dark spots and even out your skin tone, and that's why I like to use vitamin C. For this routine, we're going to go in with the Hyaluronic Glow Serum, which has B5 in it. It plumps up your skin by attracting moisture to your skin. So if you're somebody who has dry skin, or if you feel like you need extra moisture, definitely follow through with a hyaluronic acid serum. Today I went ahead and steamed my skin a bit more because I had time. Now if you don't have time, you're not under any obligation to steam your face. You just apply your products and keep it pushing, okay? Finally, we're gonna go in with the peptide and ceramide cream to lock in moisture, hydrate our skin, and also plump it. So this routine is actually heavy on the moisturizer, okay, or the hydrating factor. This peptide and ceramide cream is non-comedogenic, which means it won't clog your pores, and it's infused with niacinamide, shea butter, and hyaluronic acid. So you know niacinamide helps reduce the look and appearance of pores, and it also helps reduce oil production, especially because I have oily skin. I use niacinamide a lot. This cream has no smell, like zero smell. It doesn't feel heavy on your face, doesn't leave a film on your face. Once it absorbs in, it actually keeps your skin looking hydrated all day long. I have been using this product ever since it got into my hands. I'm gonna do an updated video on how I feel about the peptide and ceramide cream, so definitely keep an eye out for that. This is it for me, showing you guys a quick morning routine using a few products from Juvia Skin. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.